How about now? Can you hear me now? I hope you can hear me now. That was kind of weird. And the music wasn't there the whole time. Dang it. That sucks. I had music playing and it wasn't even playing. Ah, darn it. So I think what happened is I restarted OBS and it wiped the connection to my audio devices for some reason. Or maybe it was because I updated the Razer drivers. Dang it, I need to check that next time. So yeah, hey guys, how's it going? As I was saying, the chat for some reason is, where is it? Yellow today. I don't know why it's not different colors. It should be different colors, but I think maybe only the different colors works if you're streaming on Twitch. And for some reason it doesn't work with YouTube, which kind of sucks. Music's very quiet. Is it still very quiet? I do want it to be not too loud. Turn it up a little bit. How's it now? How's the music now? You can hear me, that's good. Hello chat. ALS. You think it's fine? Good, good. Sorry about that, guys. That was kind of a bad start. Probably one of my worst ones. You like the donation feed? Yeah, I like it too. Tons of Benji. Yep, you can tell he donated all kinds of times there. So thank you to him. And there's 2 Alesses too. So thank you. What are we doing today? Says AI. We are going to be doing some level design and prop placement and modeling on the ship map. Because I kind of want to get it. I want to work on it more. Sup, Benji? How's it going? Is it Unity I use? Yeah, I use Unity for game dev. I'm doing good, Aless. How are you? Yeah, hopefully it'll be cool. We got 16 people here. Hello to everybody. And if anybody's new here, I pinned a comment. Make sure to join the Discord server. I post lots of more frequent little updates there, and we also talk a lot in the community there. So yeah, I think we're pretty good to get started here. TF2, Team Fortress. I remember playing that. That was a long time ago though. Currently coding a Discord bot. Cool. Okay, let's switch over to the main view here. Do you stream on Twitch? I used to a long time ago, but no, I've been streaming on YouTube because that's where my viewer base is. So it makes more sense for me to stream here, even though Twitch is better for streaming. I don't know why. I wish YouTube could, you know, make their streaming better. Yeah, this is what we're working with. Okay, here we are in Unity. And here's the ship map. So I think today we're going to try and focus on above deck and then maybe start texturing some things as well. So I think we should work on this control tower here. You know, get it? Not really just looking like boxes, but looking more like a control tower. And then maybe placing some more props around the deck and then hopefully texturing the main deck. Texture this helipad, get some more stuff up here. There should be maybe like some anchor things or something. Are you going to make a new game? No, I'm still motivated to work on this game, and I kind of want to actually get it in a state where I can release it, but we'll see. When Danny uploaded drifting devlog, I want to make a drifting game. Now I can't find any tutorial. Yeah, well, he even said it in the video that it was really hard for him to make good car physics. Do I have a job? I'm a full-time university student right now studying software engineering, so it's technically my job. quit TF2, but people were asking to play it with you, so you got back into it. Cool. Since Daddy uploaded that video, I think a lot of people want to make car games now. And I'm sure there's going to be a lot of tutorial series on that coming out, yeah. So it's probably, you could take advantage of that. I bet you a whole bunch of car tutorial series are about to come out. I made an asset pack on cars, which, you know, I agree the car physics thing is actually pretty difficult. And my asset package, the car movement, is kind of janky. It works, but if you want to make like an actual racing game, I don't think it would work for it. After your FPS controller series, you want to do that, maybe? Yeah. Let's actually hop into the game and I can show off some of the things I've done this week and the fishies that my girlfriend modeled that I put in the game last night. Let me start the server here. Start the game. Oh wait, chat's going crazy, I can't keep up. Gotta eat food, be right back. Fishies. You have a girlfriend, says Eles. Yes, I do. 20 viewers. How's it going, everybody? We're about to show off what I worked on here, and then we're gonna start working on the ship map level design. Okay, so lobby hasn't changed. Let's go to, let's not start a game, let's just do /map ship. Go. Oh yeah, here's our new spawn point system working. We spawned underneath in the ship. Now here's something we gotta fix. We gotta make these stair colliders smooth. Get up there. Okay. So /fly. So yeah, we definitely need to work on this tower today. Oh, and then you can see the fishies out here. Swimming around. And also I kind of made the water shader have a little bit of waves. Can't really tell. You can't really tell because of the way the shader is, but I mean, they are wavy. Yep. So yeah, I think today we got to, you know, actually texture this bad boy, fix the stairs to be, you know, more realistic. Right now they're just floating. Put some stuff on the deck to hide behind as cover, because right now, especially this area is very open. Put some more cover around these containers, probably some like boards to walk between them or something. Maybe. Like maybe some boards right here to walk between them. Yeah. And then we got to make this bad boy look better. You're not going to be able to get up here because that'll be way too OP for this side of the map, right? You can just snipe. But yeah, you'll only be able to get up to these railings here. And that up here will just be for show. Yep. I guess I'll also show off kind of the what I did with the recoil here. Let's land here. /fly. What's going on in chat? I like that he interacts with chat. Yeah, I try to, but then I can't actually make progress. Somebody's talking in a different language. Try to keep it English, please. You have a garbage computer. You can still make games. You just gotta make low performance games. Secret fish gun? Maybe. Head bob for the player? I really don't like head bobs in games. So I should give one. There is like hand bob. Like you can see my gun here is bobbing, right? I guess you can see right now the cursor is changing, which I just worked on the other day. But I don't think about head bob. I find that makes me dizzy when I try to play games. Is there a way to pay Super Chat with PayPal? I got linked with my GPay. It doesn't work. I don't actually know what options there are to pay with Super Chat. But if you can't figure it out, that's fine. That's fine. Thanks for trying though. So yeah, we got this like, what is it? cursor that reacts to like your movement state. So like if I'm walking, it gets a little bit bigger. If I'm running, it gets even bigger. If I'm shooting, it gets even bigger, right? Yeah. So I like it. I like it a lot. It works good, and I think I'll probably tweak it some more, but it's working pretty good so far. The recoil system's also been kind of redone for different recoils depending on what you're doing. If I'm standing, there's way more recoil than if I'm aiming down sight, right? Which I think gives you more of an incentive to aim down sight, which is good. Will you add bullet casings? Like bullet casings that drop? Or pop out of the gun? I'm not really sure what you mean. Maybe. I don't know about the bullet casing things. You might have to pitch it to me in Discord. See what I think about it. Yeah. I can't remember last time. Did we have bullet hit effects? We do now. I can't remember. I think we did. Anyways. Yep. So I think that's most stuff I did this week. I think the shooting feels a lot better now. I should give the sniper. I think I might need to make the sniper cursor even bigger because to make it harder to no-scope. It is pretty hard to no-scope already. I think I need to make it even bigger possibly. Yep. Anyways, let's jump into Blender and get started here. Can you make the gun... Sorry. Can you make the gun like get up on your shoulder when you're sprinting? That would make it so you can't shoot at all, though. Is this game going to be more casual or competitive? I think more definitely on the casual side because I'm not that good at networking, and in order to make it competitive, the networking would have to be like on the spot for latency. So I'm thinking it'll probably be more casual. A casual shooter, and it's not just going to be a shooter. I plan to have other game modes like Infection, possibly racing game modes, parkour game modes. I have ideas for a game mode that I'm going to call Barricade and Breach. Yeah, so I'm hoping to make it like a... I don't even know what the genre is called, but like there's a whole bunch of different game modes you can play, so hopefully it won't get boring. Is this a battleship? It's a container ship, but I mean there's people fighting on it, so there is a battle going on. When's the alpha coming? I don't really know. Technically it's like kind of in pre-alpha, I guess, because we have playtest on my Discord server. Make sure to join it and grab the playtester if you're interested in that. So I guess the first thing we can do here is actually just look at some references because I don't know what I'm making. What is this? Container ship tower. Let's see what the container ship towers actually look like, because I kind of get the general shape, but see, this is what I was going for here, I think. Open like a new tab. Open link in new tab. Oh boy. Open image in new tab, not link. Open image in new tab. There we go. Oh man, that's a small image. But yeah, I think, okay, so we got the bridge on the top. We definitely got some like radar stuff up here. Definitely some like crane stuff. They got overhangs on the side here, which is what I was kind of already going for. There's like windows. See, my container ship doesn't really make sense because I have stuff like under the deck, but it's a game, right? And I think mostly all the crew quarters are actually in the tower normally, but it's a game, so yeah. So I think let's start by kind of making these overhangs look better, and then possibly starting on the actual bridge here. What was that? There was a game, oh holy, that was about like ships. That was low poly. I forget what the game is called though. That looks pretty good. Do we get feedback on the game from other people all the time, yeah. You can press down scroll wheel to open link of... Huh? What? Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, thanks, play. I did not know that. I gotta say, this and the woods map look really good visually. Thanks, Green. Got the playtester rule, nice. You could maybe make like camera monitors in the main terminal of the boat tower so people can do strategies. Like cameras somewhere, yeah. Except for they're not going to actually be able to get up in the tower because I feel like that's too OP for sniping. Smokestack of some type, pipe to the top. Yeah, like these things have like radio stacks, maybe some type of smokestack to the top, some crane maybe. I think something simple like this though, because we do have to leave it low poly, right? Here's a good example here. This is low poly here. We got a nice tower here, which I think we'll try and do. They've got the overhangs here, and you see the overhangs are actually out only at the front, and then it goes straight. So let's actually try and do that here. Start that. So I got my overhang here, kind of way over here. Kind of already have it started here. It looks like not very well. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. Actually, I've got like subdivisions here. Oof. Okay. It's gonna be quite the mess here to change this, but we're gonna do it. Sorry if I'm not looking at the chat here for a minute. I want to make some progress. Okay, so I need to like almost get rid of this. Hell. Okay, let's get rid of this. Ooh, what the heck? Was there two? Is there two? Oh my gosh, there's two nodes right there. LM at center. LM at center. Okay, let's try this again. Bulletproof glass without it. Yeah, I still don't think I want to let them up there though. What's the story of the game? There's really no story yet, if there even is going to be one. How about lifeboats that actually work? Lifeboats actually might be a good detail to add. I'm not sure where I could put them though. We're back from eating. Nice. Do I have any games on Steam? Nope, haven't put a game on Steam before. I have a few games on itch though. 2 streams in a row. Weekend back to back, you mean? Yeah, I haven't had too much schoolwork lately, so yeah, I decided to stream. I do want to work on the next episode for the multiplayer game though, so I will be focusing on that soon. Probably, hopefully, next weekend I'll be focusing on it. Don't get your hopes up. How do I get it out of there? Oh, control that. Control P. No. What's the shortcut for removing the selection? What the heck? Isn't it Alt P or Control P? Oh, it's just P. There we go. There you go. Okay, now we got this thing select. Extrude it on its own, and we should be able to do this. Make it smaller like that. And we can bring it back in here and reconnect it here. M center. Let's get rid of this. Alt M at center. Do I need this anymore? Hope not. I do. I hate overlapping ones are hard to. Okay, we're gonna have to split this bad boy. Get this to work. Delete faces. Google Play Store. I have some games on Android too, yeah. There's the link to my Google Play Store, I think. Cat Owner Simulator, best game so far. Just don't press escape because it'll kill the game. Yep. Let's just get this all in one face for now. All good. UV, Q projection. There we go. First the UVs. There we go. Now we got it only in a certain spot here. We can kind of change where we want it here. I think I'm gonna move it back a little bit. Right about there. UV project. Oh no. Box projection or cube projection. There we go. Okay, now we got that thing going here. Now we gotta get. Just yeet this out of here because I don't really like it. Delete vertices. I only want it flat back here for a minute. There we go. Okay, now we got it separated there. Okay, this side we need to do the same thing. Let me finish this side first, and then we'll copy the whole thing over. Hey Tom, how's it going? You can pin messages in live chat? Yeah, I just tried it today to pin my Discord. It works good. Make it so the boat moves and maybe even islands that you can... Yeah, I was thinking about islands. I think my girlfriend said that islands would be cool, so I might do that. Incognito Tom. Hey, the gaming dude, what's up? Okay, let's look at our reference here to figure out what the heck I'm doing. So I got this overhang here, overhang thing here. This one has like a whole cabinet at the back. What can I do to make the back more interesting? I know the views from the bloody back. Cargo ship. Our back. This one's got like a whole stack going on here. So small, dang it. Yeah, these ones have like this big stack at the back. Let's just leave it flat for now, I guess. Let's get these windows in here. If I do this, how bad does that look? Nah, it's pretty bad. Do you think we need to reconstruct how this is here, though? Let's get rid of space, delete faces here. Actually, let's use the knife tool here. Cut that bad boy. Fix him straight here. Let's go. What is this? This is the 7. Knife tool this bad boy. You have 7. You have 7. What did I do over here? Oh, and then I have it here. Should put these on 6.8. No, wrong way. 7.2. And this one will be 7.2 on the negative. And we should be able to grab this bad boy and do an extrude up. Straight up. There we go. Now we got like some more of a structure underneath. Okay. Now let's go like this. I just want to scale this in here. Oh, it's on a slope. That's going to be so annoying. I always don't know how to work on angle. Like, how can I slide this along this angle? Does anybody know? Because that'll be helpful. You don't have audio. What is he working on? Will this ever be VR? Probably not. You really got to build it from the ground up for VR, really. You have to try the pin next time, Tom. Yeah, it seems to work good. Face extrude along normals. Wait, no, but I want to remove this. I want to slide these vertices along this line is what I want to do. You have class on a Saturday? That's weird. Press G twice. Oh, that's cool. See, how did you know that? I guess I gotta watch like Blender tips and tricks videos. That's perfect. That's exactly what I needed. Thank you. Because I've used this thing forever, but I still don't know all these bloody shortcuts. Like, there's so many. UV, Q projection. Let's just pick 4.5. 4.5. I'll do another knife here. Do it at 4. 4. Oh, whoa. 4. 4. Knife it again here. Negative 4.5 and negative 4.5. Negative 4. Oop. Negative 4.5. Yes, I'm sure there's so many shortcuts that I could be using to make this so much better, but extrude on the Y. But I just don't know. So, yeah. There we go. Got some big windows there. Almost seemed too big. So I'm going to use my trusty new thing that I learned and see if it works if I select all these. Gonna work? Oh my god, that's so good. That is so good. Sorry, I got really excited over that little thing. Pretty good mods. Yeah, you are. Thank you. $30 people here. What's up, everybody? We are modeling the, well, it's kind of, we're like tweaking the model to actually look good because it was just like a block model before. But anyways, we're modeling the tower for the ship map in my multiplayer game. How's it going? Welcome. We got these windows here. Okay. Now, I'm just going to give them some type of material which isn't actually transparent, I think, for the time being. I might add an interior later, but for now, I think that's good. Let's... is there windows on the side of this bad boy? Not really. Tons of windows along here. I don't really know if I want to do that yet, though, so... I'm just going to leave it for the time being. Let's duplicate this bad boy over here. So let's just remove this one. Get the heck out of here. Yoink. Bye-bye. And grab this one over here again. What do I need here? I need this, that, get this. I need this, that. Go. Shift D. Go over here. Scale it on the X. -1 flipper. Okay, here's a good thing. How the heck do I do that snap thing where the vertices snap together? Somebody teach me how to do that again. I think it's snap here, increment, vertex. Yeah, I think I figured it out. Closest, median, active. Try this bad boy. How does it work? I'm doing it, it's not working. Or does it not work with big chunks like this? What am I doing wrong? Or is this not a thing? Get him to 4,000 subs? Yeah, we're gonna be at 4,000 subs today, probably, because of that one video that's going off right now, which is pretty exciting, actually. And so I do want to get another video out to you guys soon, because I feel kind of bad that I haven't posted in like 2 months. But yeah, time permitting, we'll see how much time I have this week. Thanks for all the subs. Why do you have 10 YouTube's account? Tornado, is Tornado not here? I need help. How the heck does this snap thing work? Or does it not work with big chunks like this? Gotta ride the wave, says Tom. Yeah, I am literally riding the wave right now, but it's not really a wave, it's more like a cliff, if you know what I mean, which is pretty exciting. What's the game called? That's a good question. I don't know. I've been toying with this one name, I was thinking about maybe calling it Arcadia. It kind of sounds like a cool name. It doesn't really have much meaning behind it. Okay, nobody's gonna help me with this? Okay, never mind then. I'll try and figure it out on my own. Shift tab. Shift tab? Oh, that turns it on and off. How does this work? Snap with closest center active. How does it work? Will there be a night version of this map? Where the ship's all lit up? Maybe. I've toyed with, I have like a experimental night for the Valley map, but it doesn't look too good yet, so maybe. Will I publish another game on the Play Store? I don't know if I'll make another Android game. I might. I don't know. Not right now though. I'm enjoying working on this game. You like Arcadia? Yeah, I read it in. I was reading Ready Player 2, and it's the name of. don't even know what it's called. A world, I guess. And I kind of liked it. Delete vertices. Okay, we are going to try and just position this perfectly here. No, not polyphobia. Okay, I don't get how this thing works. Volume, edge center, edge. What is this? It doesn't work. How does it work? Maybe it doesn't work because I'm selecting all kinds of things. What if I do this? Oh, it's working now with one vertice. Oh. Okay, well that's useless to me. Volume? Whoa. Yeah, that's useless to me. Edge center? No. I guess I'll just leave it on the increment. I think that's because it's a full object, so it won't work. So let's go into this view and just G on the Z. When in doubt, when it's low poly, just eyeball it. There you go, that's pretty eyeballed. You like Arcadia? Thank you. I think we might go with that, but I don't know yet. I don't know. You can make edge loop bridges? Not sure what you mean by that. Oh, wait. Oh crap, how many vertices are there here? There's 3! Hate duplicate vertices, are bad. What the heck? Oh wait, there's no vertices there, yeah, great. Okay, we're linked there. Oh, we're not linked there. Oh yeah, this makes sense, we're not linked here yet. We haven't redone the mesh. We gotta redo the mesh here. Get this bad boy out of here, faces. Get this bad boy out of here, faces. You build the mesh here, boom, 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 boom. Rebuild that. Extrude this on the X, on the Z, on the Y. Going to negative 3 point something here. Copy it over. Build this back together here. What is going on here? What is up with this bad boy? Get out of here. Oh, it's from the previous one, right? There we go. Okay, rebuild that. Okay, and now rebuild this. Okay, and then now we can rebuild this big face here, like this. Oh, that didn't work. Why didn't it work? There are 2 vertices here. There is. Little buggers. Is there 2 vertices here? Whoa. I think there is. Yeah, LM. You can tell because this line wasn't lit up. You could tell that there were 2 vertices there. There, and face it. There we go. Now let's just UV unwrap this bad boy. There we go. Now we got these 2 things the same. Probably could have used a mirror modifier, but that would have messed up the doors, so I didn't. I just did it manually. Okay, now let's see about maybe just doing some of this here. Thinking about maybe just doing a full loop around here and extruding it a little bit to add a little bit more depth. Okay, extrude, scale on these 2 bad boys, yes. Okay, let's just go like that much, but then grab anything that was on the side. So this here and this there, and just help it out here. Again, we're just gonna eyeball it because low poly, that's what you do. Right, that's what I do at least. Scale on the X. Boom, like that. Okay, these guys need some help too. Grab this, that. Move them out a bit so they look about the same as the other side. Eyeball it. Yeah, that looks good. Give this guy a little pull out. Okay, there, now he's got a little bit of a cap brim there. That's good, adds a little bit more depth. You can even now bring it up a bit. All the way around to give it a little bit of a lip. This bad boy is inside out for some reason. Bring it up a little bit. There, now it's got a little bit of a lip. How high is the lip down here? Try and judge. This one's way higher. This one's be a little bit like, there we go. Thigh height type. There we go. I think maybe the whole thing could be lowered a little bit now. Okay. You project that bad boy. There we go. Now we're gonna go into making some of these antennas here. Let me read the chat though. Kind of been ignoring it. Gotta do 30 hours of work in 8 hours. Yeah, see ya, Tom. Go get that video edited. Get out of here. Pog, says Rug. Hey, Rug, how's it going? Oh. Yeah, it might be a good idea to close Discord. Hold Alt and click to loop select. Yeah, I knew about that. I think. Hey, Creeper Games, what's up? Should I use Blender from Steam or from the website? And what are the differences? I'm not sure. I think Steam's just a way of getting Blender and launching it from the Steam launcher. I think it's the same thing. I use it, like I download it from I downloaded it over their website. Why ProBuilder or why Blender over ProBuilder? Oh, ProBuilder is so annoying to use. Like I don't. It's also a lot laggier, but which one? I'm using it for my lobby right now. But you can't edit like you can in Blender. Like, let's go in here. This guy's a ProBuilder, I think. Is it? Floor walls. Yeah, it is a ProBuilder. Open ProBuilder. Like, I moved around like crazy. Like, I obviously don't know how to use it. What the heck? Floor, walls. Like, if I want to just, I guess I can move this vertice, but like, if I want to reconstruct how this mesh is formed here, like if I want to add, I don't know. Like it's really hard to reconstruct it, I find. Like I want to delete this face. Like, how do I delete the face here? Can I delete the face? That's gonna break it. Open prefab. Ah, okay. See, I just want to delete that face. I don't know if you can. Team takes longer to start. Through blah blah blah. Anyways, so I mean, maybe you can do that, like these increment edits with ProBuilder, but I don't know how. Whereas Blender, I just know how to do it. Like I know, like if I want to reconstruct how this here is. What am I doing here? If I want to reconstruct how any faces, I know I can just like delete it, delete faces, and just, you know, I can go with actually I can go with a knife tool and like just cut it. Like, I don't know, you can't do things like this in ProBuilder, I find. Maybe you can, but I don't know how to do it. I also find I get weird overlapping in ProBuilder. It is good though. It's good that they're implementing that right into the engine, and I hope they improve it. Read in the chat. Did this message highlight you? Oh, you guys are messing with the message highlights? What the heck? Autocomplete. Okay, let's get working on these antennas here. Add a cube. Let's bring it right to 0, 0 here. Scale on Z here. Get it up. Let's get out a Pro Builder over here. Discard changes. Close Pro Builder. Okay. So it starts off like kind of pretty small here at the base. Kind of just moves up and in. These other references here. He's got like that. Kind of got a tower here. Just do this bad boy, this, and extrude. Like this. Whoa. Scale? No. Extrude. Scale. Go. Extrude up. And extrude up. And scale it in. Scale it in, and then get one of them, scale it in, and extrude it up. Something like that. Let's grab all these bad boys here. Extrude and scale on this. There we go. Scale question mark? What? Mesh colliders or box colliders? I mean, if you want to place all the box colliders. Did you make your weapons with Pro Builder, Rug? Or were those in Blender? I think they were in Blender. Or other modeling software. Here we go. Here comes Rug's arguments. Pro Builder is better than Blender for these reasons. Here they come. Okay, what are these reasons? Pro Builder has an auto UVs previewing the map in engine so you can see how the materials look, being able to reuse the same mesh multiple times to save performance. Auto UVs, yeah, you just have to know how to do that in Blender too, though. Although I never messed with actual textures, so I wouldn't know about that actually. I've only done low poly. So it might be annoying to do actual textures. There we go, there's our little middle one. This is kind of the biggest tower. I don't know what I'm talking about mini. Need to be bigger though? I think so, maybe. Yeah, it definitely needs to be bigger. Look how big that one is in... There go. I could go with this here. Scale. Probably also has a bunch of built-in meshes like stairs, pipes, etc. I know that's cool, which you can easily create to exact specifications. I'm sure there's, yeah. Too lazy to texture it. I kind of want to see somebody that's good with Pro Builder use it, so that I can see that it is good to use, because I just don't know how to use it. I think that's my problem. Okay, what else should we add up here? Other little air conditioner or something. You're never gonna see up here actually, so I don't really know why I would add anything else up there. The cables would be good though. Let's add those cables here. Add a, how do you do that line thing again? And I want to add a curve path. Oh boy. Well, we're about to mess with this. I think you can use this to make a mesh though. You definitely can't do fancy stuff like this in Pro Builder. Quite frankly, I don't even know how to do this though in Blender. Where do these even go to? Oh, they go down to here. I'm going way too high. Boy, I cannot see where the heck I'm aiming here. Okay, now let's figure out how we can fill that in with something here. Path, shape, 3D, geometry. Figure that out. Sucks for modeling props, better for maps. Yeah, I agree with that. Model props in Blender and then place them around the map in Pro Builder. Yeah, that makes sense. Maps. What's going on? Says Jinx. Hey, how's it going? We're modeling the ship map tower here right now, and then we're gonna do some other things on the deck of the ship once we're done with this. I think we're almost done here. I just want to finish putting these lines here, which I haven't really done before, so I'm trying to figure out what the heck I'm doing here. I should be able to just oh, that's a line. What the heck? There we go. It's a tube. Resolution. I don't really know what I'm doing here. It's way too big right now. There we go. That looks kind of decent, right? Okay. Resolution. Resolution needs to go down to like 0. Yeah. Depth should be like really, really small here. Now, how do I apply the path? Fill mode. Modifiers, path. How do you convert the path to a mesh then? Are you gonna say Zippy's fake because his head's slightly slanted? What? I'm not fake. Depth a bit smaller, haha. Why does the rope look like an insect? I need to figure out how to convert this path now to a mesh. Blender convert path to mesh. Convert to what? Object convert to mesh. What is this gonna do? Object. Convert to mesh. Dope. There's so many segments. I don't want that many segments, so let's undo that. How do I... Resolution. Okay, I only want like... Need to increase the segments. Does that do it? Maybe? Do that again. Object convert to mesh. Oh, yeah, that did it. Turn it down even more. Control Z. Go back to the... Let's go like 2. Not even 1. Yeah, that's better. Much more low pulley. Now object convert to mesh. How many are there? Wait. That's too low, I think, in terms of the resolution the other way, because it's only 4 points, and I want to turn off smooth shading. So, sorry, this is taking forever, but I don't know what I'm doing. Resolution, let's up it to 1. Now let's once again object convert to mesh. There we go, that's more what I want. And now I should be able to do like this, and how do I turn off smooth shading again? Mesh, shading, flat faces. There we go, now it's low pulley. There we go, we got a rope there. Totally probably overcomplicated how we made it, but another one over here. I'll join them. Shift D, scale on the Y. -1. Move them into position here. G on the X on the Y. Oh, the back here is a lot longer. Ah, darn. Should be pretty easy fix though. Just grab these bad boys, move them over. Nobody will notice. Okay, I need to move these over a bit too. There we go. Oh boy. Looks kind of weird from the top. Why the heck is this such a different position over here? It's weird. I guess I didn't rotate them perfectly. How's it looking over here? That looks almost fine, but needs to be moved over a bit. Okay, that's good. This one could use a little bit of move over here. It's good. Nobody's actually going to be up here ever, so I just need to look good from afar, so I don't know why I'm messing with it so much. This one is way off. Holy. There we go. That looks good from afar. Now let's merge these two together. Okay, sec. Go join. There we go. Coolidge. Why is that ship bridge 001? Oh, it's because I just copied it over. Grab all these, and we should be able to just do a file export FBX here. In Blender, we gotta go to Unity, player game, game client, assets, models, maps, ship map, and ship hull. Export. Jump into Unity here. Rush is here. Right click, convert to mesh. I figured it out. Thanks. Will these be affected by the wind? No. Not that fancy. Shaders for wind, maybe. Let's see here. Ship. Don't save anything I did in there. There we go. Whoa! We gotta flip our meshes. They're looking pretty messed up here. Normal. Recalculate normals. I think this guy right here is gonna be inverted here. Do I turn the normals on again? Yeah, I'm using this one, always needs flipped. File, export, FBX, overwrite, boom. Should fix all the normals there, yep. There we go. Oh, it's looking a lot better already, holy. Okay, let's put some windows on the back. These bad boys need moved up more. Put some windows on the back. Put the rest of these railings on. That'll be good for now. Then we can maybe start texturing the hull. Smoke grenades? Yeah, there'll definitely be grenades eventually. Solid view and turn back face to culling. You mean to check the normals? I kind of just turn on the normal checker to do that. See? Turn on this thing that shows the normals. I turn it off, increase the size, turn it back off. Okay. Now let's do the same thing. Actually, let's move these up first with my new thing that I learned to move stuff along a line. Double tap G. Oh no, it didn't work for that one. It's getting confused for those ones. No. Darn. Darn, now it didn't work out good because these bloody guys didn't decide not to go to the right spot. Oh. Let's see. That's rather annoying. I'll just fix it manually here. There we go. Shift N to recalculate normal shortcut. Okay, yeah, that'll save me time from searching in the search thing. Thank you. You gotta add windows to the other side here. Get the Knuff tool. On the height. 11. So what are these heights? 11.26. Do the same thing over here. And what are these heights here? 13 point something. The knife tool out here as well. Cut her up. Go. Set the height. Set the height. Do some more cuts here. I know one's at, yeah, it's at negative 4.5 and 4.5. So let's do that as well. Yeah, 4.5. 5. Yeah, 4.5. Get the knife tool. Again, this one's at, wait. It's at this side actually. -4. -4. Oh yeah, I can just do this now. 4.5. And 4. There we go. Now I should be able to grab all these bad boys. How much should I bring them in here? About that much. Eyeball it. Extrude. About the same. There we go. Good eyeball. Okay. Grab it all. Fix the UVs. There we go. Bridge is looking good. And let's put the rest of these railings up here. I just joined the stream. Are you planning on building a networking system yourself or just using a high-level API like Mir? I'm using Tom, yeah, like Play said, I'm using his networking solution. It's a more of a low-level networking solution. It works good. Photon's been quite good for rug. You just don't like it. Everybody's trying to make Danny's car controller now. Okay, let's copy these railings here. Oh, grab the stairs, grab the bloody railing. Okay. Heck. Grab this, so bring it over here. Let's just set it aside here for now, because I need to get a post in here first. Get a post. Nope. D, get it over here. Get these guys over here now. Hook it up with the post. Go. Let's actually get this post in here a few more times. Just eyeball the spacing. That's what I do best. I'll give it a good duplication here to the other side. Negative. Boom, just like that. Now we got it on the other side as well. Line it up just perfectly here. Oh, it's already lined up good, I think. Is it? Does that look good? Yeah, it's good. Perfect. Oh crap. Right, this actually needs to be 180. And then move to this side actually. Right, it's mirrored. There we go. Go. Okay, now we gotta do the railing from here to there. Read the chat. Yikes. Why on a Saturday? Oh, class? Yeah, no, I said that too. Yeah, why do you have class on a Saturday? Hey, Saul. I'm missing the chat. Game public. Oh, what am I missing here? You making a cargo ship in Blender? Yep, for my cargo ship map in my multiplayer game. Oh, just another course? I see. Back to searching for the drift controller on the second or third page. I bet you Danny's gonna make a Danny quick tutorial on it now, possibly. Okay, let's get another post in here. Boom, grab this bad boy, Shift D, get it over here. Gotta get it just in here because we also gotta put... Should I be putting a railing around here as well? Or should I just let people be able to jump off from there? I mean, it doesn't really make sense, like they would actually have a railing there, but I think I might leave it without the railing. We'll see how it feels with and without. It wouldn't make sense actually, but we might have to do it for gameplay there to make it feel less janky trying to get over the railing. GY. Go, line her up. Grab these no. Ungrab these guys, go back to that view. Why is it? Ungrab these, there we go. Line her up over here as well, there we go. Now we're gonna bullseye these posts here. One looks like it could go about there, and another one could go about there. That look good. Get over a little bit. That looks good. Grab this, that, this. Shift D, bring it to the other side. Put it around. Rotate it on the Z 180 degrees. Go. Line her up over here. There we go. Holy, flipping around like crazy, but there we go. Now we got the railing there. Oh boy. Why is it so much farther over here? This one too. That means that these stairs are not lined up exactly the same. One lines up about there. Yeah, this one definitely is lined up farther over. Let's see if we can fix the stairs maybe. Grab these stairs. Grab the post, grab the stairs here. Grab this. Ah, crap, I don't need all this stuff. Is this what I got stuff over here too. Get out of here. There we go, now I got the stairs. Just the stairs. And let's put her right about there. I think is lined up better. Okay, let's UV project this. And there we go. Just do a... What'd you say it was? Control N? No. Shift N? Recalculate normals. Oh yeah, there we go. Thanks for that shortcut. The approximations? Yeah, I know, Tornado. This is called low poly, it's not called high poly. We approximate all the time. 40 subs left. Are you looking at my sub count for my channel? Yeah, it's going up quick. What are we at right now? We are at 3,972. So we're almost there. Yes. The video is doing very well, which quite frankly it's like almost a year old now, so I really don't know why the YouTube algorithm picked it up. Did you import the Pro Builder mesh into Blender? If so, that is a clever way of doing it. No, I made the whole mesh in Blender. I didn't use Pro Builder at all for this map. You can get it by the end of the stream, probably. 26 viewers. How's it going, everybody? We're about to put this bad boy back into Unity here right now and see how it looks, and then we can start texturing it, I think. Because I'm tired of looking at these textures, these blank textures. I don't know about you, but so then I can show you my texture method that it's not really my texture method. Somebody else came up with it, but it's the one that I'm using. Okay, there we go. We got to export it. We're going to see an update here. Guess you can't really see much update, but there you go. The railings are in there now. Windows in the back are there. Yep. Probably. Yep, that looks good. Looks good. Coolidge. That looks fine. You can really see the lighting change. Oh yeah, it's because the lighting will need rebaked. I ain't doing that on stream though. Because for some reason it lags the heck out of the stream. Okay, so let's start making kind of a texture palette here. I show you this plugin that I use. Where is it? It's called Click to Color Tools. Click to Color, which basically, I go in my textures folder here, ship map, create folder, ship Create new texture. Let's go with a grid size of 4 or 6, 8. No, wait, 4. 64. And texture file name, let's go ship. Just call it ship for now. Use grayscale. No, set save location. Let's go to textures, ship map, ship, select folder, create. Holy, that is way too many. Wait, this is the wrong image it brought in here. There we go. That was weird that it brought in that other image. Here you go. So now it's made this grid of, what is this, 4x4 textures. So 16 textures here. What video starting blowing up, said Saul. My like 5 years of making games in Unity video. It's like my first video that I actually, it's my video that was uploaded like almost a year ago. It's like just before I started this multiplayer project, when I kind of got back into the YouTube thing. And yeah, for some reason the algorithm just picked it up 2 weeks ago, and it's gaining a lot of views, which is really cool. I just hope that the people that are actually subscribing are hopefully going to be interested in my multiplayer series and aren't looking for more of that, because I don't really have anything else to show. I showed all my games pretty much in that video. Okay, here we go. So now we got this bad boy, and now we can like pick like, oh, why is it like on the edge there? That's kind of weird. See? Okay, wait. I think I made the image wrong. I need to make it let me look at it here. Okay, wait, I need to make it a little bit bigger. Let me redo that. Delete. Tools. I need these to be 128 is the sweet spot. Create new texture. Ship. 128. Yeah, that's a sweet spot, I think. Or 256, I think, is what I was doing. We want 4. Set save location. Set select folder. Folder. Create. I don't know why it brings that in, but there we go. There we go, that's better. Maybe add a live sub count. How do I do that? Plus. I don't think there is an easy way to do that. Subscription goal. Subscription goal? That's a goal though. YouTube subscribers. The problem is I don't think viewer count and list donation goal. I don't think YouTube has a bloody way of doing that, because YouTube kind of sucks. No, YouTube, I love you. It's okay. What is this? I don't know what this is. Nah, this is just like a... I don't know what this is. Bye-bye. I don't think I can really show what subscriptions I'm at very easily. Maybe unless there's some other widget. Yeah, the problem is YouTube is really bad at compatibility with Streamlabs. Hate it. Twitch is way better. You can't even really detect when somebody subscribes, because in their permissions, they have to have the permission to allow their subscriptions to be public in order for it to detect that they actually subscribe. It's kind of confusing and annoying. The only way I can do it is probably if I have like some type of widget. If there's like a widget online I can use or something, a live subscription widget maybe. User desired me to make my own multiplayer game with some friends. Awesome, good luck. Is there like a sub live sub counter? Live sub count. Let's be Zach Okay, xzippyr, I don't think it'll update live for... Oh, this is just... Who's this person? I don't want this person, I want me. This xzippyzachx. Yeah, it's not even accurate. That's like way off. That's like nowhere near accurate. It's because I'm not big enough, so I don't think they have the really accuracy sub count thing. I don't know. Maybe just don't want to, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't really know how to do it, is the problem. I don't think it's really the people here that are subscribing anyways. It's the people watching that video. Okay, back to our colors. Give it time. You have to wait until it updates? It just said it was like a, Alright, I'll leave it here for a few seconds, but it just said it was like a sample goal. Almost at 4K. What are we at? 3,900 and what did I say? 972. 4,000. What the heck is today's month? It's the 3rd, 14, 20, 21. Is that cool? The thing is, I don't think it uploads live. I don't think it updates live. There you go. I don't think it'll update though. It won't update. It was just manually setting it. Your videos are motivating. Thanks. You're welcome. How much would your game cost if you ever uploaded it? I don't know. Probably not that much, because I'm not a fan of really expensive games. Oh crap. I just think I just crashed. Oh no. There's a bug with this. There we go. We're good. I can't drag around the color with this asset though. It's buggy. And the developer knows about it, and hopefully he's going to work on it. Okay, so we're just thinking of colors here. We want like a gray. I think I want like a white. I dragged it again. Keep dragging it. You're heading out. See you, red. Let's get over to the blue here. Let's get like a white. What else? Let's look at our reference here. We got white. Should I make this like an orange container ship here? We'll mess with a few different colors, but let's start with like an orangey container ship kind of. Maybe. Got some gray, some orange. You definitely need some like blacker color. Another darker gray maybe. Make this one a lighter gray. Start with that. And you see it just updates it live right in here. And then Blender here, I should be able to go like this. Change this to a UV editor. open here, multiplayer game. Nope, we're in the wrong folder here. Unity, multiplayer game. Game client, assets, textures, ship map, ship, open. Go, we got it in here. Now we should be able to just grab all these things, scale them down. And we just gotta change the material to be the actual ship. Bring this over here. Shader editor. Get out of here, I don't need you. I need this, copy that. Beat this, get this in here, hook that up, change this to, why did it should already be open. Ship. Now we should go back to this. Assign, there we go. Now they're all this gray color. Cool. Now I do want to make, turn this off. These windows, I want a different one because in Unity I'm going to make it a different shader for the windows. So let's do this, grab all the windows, make a new one here and do ship windows so that it's a different material. For now we can just give it a blue texture here, assign. But in Unity I'm going to basically make this its own material, because it'll probably have some shine or something on it, or some fog to make them look more like windows. That texturing method is really nice. Yeah, it is, and it's, you know, there's a reason behind it, because then you only have to use one material for all the colors, right? So there's a way where it saves GPU power, where it only has to load the texture onto the models. I don't know, I'm not that smart. I don't know exactly how it works, but, and it's also pretty, you know, workflow wise, I can just be like, okay, I want this tower to be white. I just gotta select him here in Blender, move it over, boom, tower's white. Want all these railings here to be, I can select them here. Need a better way to select these railings. Maybe I'll just do this. Shift L, unselect this stuff, unselect you, unselect you. Okay, I got all the railings selected here, and then I should be like, yeah, I want these to be black. Yeah, I don't know if that's actually what I want, but then later you can also grab the railings just from in here and move them around. Deselect everything. I know that this is just railings, so I can grab this, move it over here, now they're pink. Right, obviously I don't want them pink, but yeah, it works pretty good. But I do think I want most of this to be white actually by default, so I'm gonna move it all down there. These guys, maybe we'll make it better gray here. Something like that. I'm missing out the chat here. Yeah, they all share this texture map. We've mentioned something in Unity, but I also not too smart. See, Tom is smart and understands why. Because the GPU can reuse the same rendering instructions for almost everything. Yep, I knew it was something like that. The actual mesh data need to be swapped out, yeah. Are any of us smart enough about GPU stuff? Tom's probably knows the most. Shift L, that unselects the mesh segment. I don't know if you understand what I just said, but it like unselects that mesh that's selected within edit mode. From all my Google searches, can't find that drift thing. Well, Danny said he had trouble finding it, so. Don't put you on the pedestal. No, you're put on the pedestal, Tom. If the networking solution doesn't work, it's all your fault. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. It's actually pretty stable right now, but we need to do another playtest soon. Probably after the next. I do the next video. No, it's too dark. Boom, boom. These guys, different colors. Tom, why are you here? You're supposed to be editing your video. Get lost. I'm gonna be sad if I can't watch that on like Monday or whenever you're planning on finishing it. Usually you upload on Saturday. What the heck? Whoa. Oh, I grabbed everything. Oops. Everything's only gray or white right now. Those are the two colors that I like. It'd be a speedrunning texturing. I'm definitely gonna change it like 50 times. You're not gonna get it done today. You're not gonna get it done sitting in my stream, that's for sure. Well, you could do like video editing while watching my stream, I guess. You can't do audio editing while listening. That would interfere too much. Check the third page. Will you need fundings for your game? Right now, no. I don't really need anything. It doesn't really cost me anything, other than server hosting, which hopefully a YouTube ad will pay for and cover. At least initially, right? And then once the game's actually in need of multiple server hosting, then hopefully maybe there'll be some type of ad, or sorry, not ad, but like revenue coming in from customization stuff that's in-game purchases, or possibly the game might be cost like not too much, a low amount of money basically. That will make me some money. I think I just want another lighter, a little bit. Let's just quickly edit this bad boy. I just want a little bit. Whoa. Open this guy up and kick to color here. I want a little bit of just a tad grayer white. Yeah, like that. Now, how do I update this again? I go like this, and I should just be able to do this, right? Yeah, like that. There you go. It just refreshes it quickly. Yeah, I like that. So it just adds a little bit of depth because it's a slightly grayer white, right? Let's go this interior here. And let's make the whole interior the slightly grayer white. Go just to add a little bit of more shadowing inside. Do you think these guys need to be this darker gray here? What if we make the top this slightly grayer white? See how it looks. Yeah, I think I like that. Adds a little bit of depth. What about if I make these two things still the slightly grayer white? Kind of blend into this next gray color here, maybe. We'll see. I might not like it. We'll see. I don't think I like it. I'm probably making you guys busy spinning around so much here. Gotta get the angles. There we go. Okay. Now, let's just, you know, export this just to see what it looks like in Unity here before we keep going. PX, export. Oh, that's not Unity. Okay. There we go. I'm on my PC now. Just add a few barrels, you're gonna hit 5K. Let's update the counter here. What is it at? Refresh here. It's at 78, so let me update the counter here manually. End goal. Yes, he doesn't even up. How do I? Oh man, I gotta end the goal. So weird. End goal. Oh no, I erased everything. This is kind of useless. I probably have to set it up somehow. Starting amount 7. Wait. 3, 8, 90. Wait, 78. There, it's back. We're just gonna leave it. I'm not gonna touch it. I think I should keep streaming until I hit 4K subs. Well, hopefully in the next hour and a half it'll hit 4K subs then. It should. Approved GIFs? Ooh, that's hard to approve though. Whoa, it's so bright. What the heck? Because I haven't actually set up the materials. It's using... Oh, it's importing materials. Oh, I don't want that. Why is it doing that? I don't want it to import materials. Models. Maps. Ship map. Ship hull. Materials. No, don't make materials. Apply. I want to make the materials. Why is the lighting so weird looking? Prototype materials. Prototype. Why is the lighting looking so bright all of a sudden? It's weird. Something's up here. Ship map. Ship prototype. I'm just a little bit confused why this looks so bright all of a sudden. It didn't look this bright before. Or did it? What? Weird. Container C4. Let's go with create material. Ship. Put it on here. Turn down the. Why is it so? It's really bright. I need to put in the ship texture here. Why is this so bright? .1 I have on this bad boy. then for the windows, create material, ship window. Those white colors are very vibrant. What's up, Zippy? Not much. Doing some texturing. It's so bright because it's 1 p.m. What's your PC specs? Aren't they in the description? I have an i7 6700K quad core, and I have a 970 NVIDIA 970 GPU, GTX 970, and I have 32 gigabytes of RAM, and then like a hard drive and 2 hard drives and then a solid state drive for applications. Ship windows, and there we go, got that. I'm just gonna look at my other materials I did in the valley map here. Cars. Oh, I turn right down. They're turned right down on the smoothness. Ship. Why does it look so much brighter? I haven't done anything. What the heck? Like everything looks brighter. The whole ship looks brighter. And I'm confused why. Like that looks so blown out. What did I do? What? Where's this light coming from? I literally just turned off the directional light. Where is this light coming from? Okay, wait. Sorry, I'm confused here for a minute. I have a directional light here. Oh, you know what? I know what I did. I'm exporting everything. File export. Yes. Only selected objects. There's the problem. It was bringing in the light from Blender. That was so weird. There we go. There we go. That was looking so weird and confusing me. So what happened is, there's a light here in Blender, right? In here somewhere. I don't know where it is. Anyways, there's a light in here somewhere. Light here. Yeah, anyways, I don't know where it is. But anyways, this was getting imported, and then Unity knows to convert it to a Unity light, so that's why the lighting was all screwed up. Anyways, I need to only import the selected objects. I was importing the whole Blender scene for a minute there. There we go, much better lighting. There we go. There we go. Now how can we make these windows look good on both sides? Doing some more metallic here. 6. Will you add ladders? Where though? Maybe? Ladders are kind of hard and janky. Animations on ladders especially are kind of janky. Unless you just let them float up and down on the ladder. Have I done a coding tutorial? Not really, other than Firebase. 1000% better. Yeah, I know. I'm using URP, Universal Render Pipeline. Yeah, it's way better now. Oh wait. There we go. So confused there for a minute. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Like, yeah. Looking more like a ship color now. Okay, now let's do this main hull here. Get it done. Dang, sorry. That was really confusing me for a minute there. It took me a while to figure out what the heck was going on. Scale down this bad boy. Get it into the white here. And give it the... Get rid of this. Give it to the ship material sign. Rid of the prototype. We also should get rid of the prototype material off of this thing too. Oop. There we go. Now the entire hull's that color. Nice. Now let's get paint in here. Get all this orange or whatever color and see how it looks. Ugh, it's kind of an ugly orange. Come on, there we go. Do the edge select here, move this down a bit. Use my new, oh yeah, that double G is really good. Nice. Now I think all the deck should be definitely a lighter gray or a complete dark gray, I think. For sure. Okay, got all the deck here. This should all be definitely in the gray phase, I think. Let's fix up this orange color a bit later, but let's export this stuff. File export. Fix it up in Unity. Read the chat. Where did I leave off? So, oh, so the basic things are in Blender, and then the rest are set pieces, but in Unity. Like all the models are made in Blender and then brought into Unity, right? What are we calling the ship? SS Herbert? Maybe, because then the forklift's called Herb. Maybe. Yeah, let's fix this ugly orange. It looks kind of dirty orange right now. Tools, click to color. Be an orange, or should we try maybe a red? Ooh, no, I like that. No, it's way too vibrant. I think an orange is the way to go here. Try that. Does that look better? What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna try and move this line up here so it's above the water. Get the helipad. You gotta get this thing colored. Man, it's coming together. It looks much better without the bloody prototype textures. Holy. Oh man, this thing looks way better now that it's textured. Like it actually, you know what it is now. We gotta fix that. Like before, this thing just looked like a big ass cube. Now it actually looks like something. Let's fix that. Yep, missed this bad boy. Get this in here. You like the orange? Okay, cool. Yeah, I think we'll go with orange. Teal? The one teal. This color? Could try it in a minute. Actually, you know what we can do is we can do this because this texture thing is so nice. Oh wait, no. We can just do this. Quickly see. I feel like that's gonna be too close to the water though, so. Purple, pink, green. Green also looks kind of cool. It'd be cool if the color randomized every map, every game. Maybe. There we go. Okay, let's do this door here. I think I'm just gonna give it a darker gray, pretty much. Come on. View. Frick. Small feature that could be quite cool is to add a text that at the side of the ship, so it's SS server name. Server name. That'd be cool. I think we're just gonna call it the SS Herbert for now though. For now. Maybe I can add a cool feature like that later. Whoa. Wait. Whoa. Yeah, I think dark is very cool. We need to finish these stairs here. Okay, chat. X-ray. If I make what transparent? What? Pirate ship version of this map would be cool for Halloween. Special events. Maybe. I want this thing. Shift D. Get over here. Let me get part of this map. There we go. Now, wait, can I make this? Oh my, oh, that's so good. That's so good. I can move it along there. That's so good. Sorry. Really excited about that little feature. This makes it so much easier to size that down. Oh yeah. Oh no, now it's just scaling. No. There we go. Oh no, why won't it go to the right when I do that? Aw, man. I guess I can do it like... period. What? Oh wait. Ooh, thank you, tornado. That's cool. So you just select like what mesh you want to focus on. Okay. Cool. Thank you. I gotta remember that. I need like remember these. That's the problem. Oh wait, did that put me out of? What is it? There we go. When centering, okay, for Halloween map, just good. Titanic round. Did you know there's an integration for Discord? You can give stream donors roles. Really? For YouTube? Yes, approximation again. If so, then yeah. I should check that out then. Cool. Tornado doesn't like my approximation. Here we go again. Ready? Woo. That looks about right. Right there. There we go. I just found an article saying it worked for YouTube, but I only see an integration for Twitch in my own server settings. Yeah, I don't know. YouTube's integration with streaming stuff is kind of annoying. There we go. Coolio. Pretty much all textured. What do I want to do here? I want to move this up, right? I want to move these guys all up. GG. Wait, let me move. I just heard the sound. Somebody donated. Benji with €5. Thank you. I should actually probably get roles for you, Benji, and Alas for donating. You know if that was a thing for Twitch? What's it called? Oh, Saul's interested. Yeah, what's it called, Tom? Settings, integration, Twitch. In Discord setting, you go to settings, integration, Twitch. One sec, gotta do something. I'm just looking at Discord for a minute here. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Looking at that. Okay, here we go. I moved all these lines up here. Actually, move these guys up too. There we go. That looks pretty good. Let's export her. File. Export FBX. Export. There we go. The lines are above the water now. Coolio. Helipad's also textured. Are those white? Can't tell. I don't think they are. It does say Twitch and YouTube. It doesn't show up for Tom though? Do you have your YouTube linked to Discord, Tom? think you do. Yeah, you can post a link if you want. YouTube has to be connected to Twitch to work on Discord. What? Weird. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. It is white. It doesn't look white in, Oh wait, you know why? It's because I haven't actually put the bloody texture in, That'd help, wouldn't it? Would help if I put the texture, or the material. Ship map, ship. There we go. Liquid. There we go, much better, much better. Got the door right there, covered by containers, so it doesn't really make sense, but who cares? Looking much better. Cool. Okay, let's make a new folder for props. Tools, click the color. YouTube members you only get when you have... YouTube members is actually hard to get. You have to have like 25% of your views coming from subscribers. Wait, I didn't say I have it. Wait. Where do I go again? Settings, integrations. No, I only have Twitch. I don't have YouTube. I only have Twitch, Tom. A YouTube member? I don't know. What is it? It's a. This is an oil drum. Set save location. Ship. Folder. Props. Select folder. Oil drum. Create. Put it in here. Got some of the blue tinge though. Okay, I'm just gonna start working on doing some of the other props here. So where's this oil drum here? Oil drum. Turn it on. Focus it. Awesome, that's awesome. Let's get this guy. New oil drum. Assign it. Get rid of the prototype one. Scale her down. Let's open a new texture here. Shader editor. This bad boy hooked up. oil drum. There we go. Holy, stop. Colors suck right now, but I'll fix them in Unity. Come on, stop it. I don't know why the whatever loop select doesn't always work. Like, why isn't it working here? I don't know. Does it work here? That's because it's such low poly. Select them all manually. Oh well. Can you enable memberships, Tom? Or 25% of your views from subscribers? I'm pretty sure that's what you need. My views are like 2% from subscribers, like really low. Because, especially because this video recently. Oh, it seems to only be a recommendation. Oh, I guess I didn't read it. Okay, so now I got this. This one's gonna be for the top and bottom. And this is gonna be for this cap here. This is gonna be for the rings, and this is gonna be for the middle part. So now I can go and mess with it in Unity, the actual colors. Da 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 da. Wheel drum. Export. Unity. Oh god. I accidentally had everything selected. File export. FBX. There we go. There we go. Now we should be able to go like what's on here right now? Oil drum, yeah, so I don't want that. I want, what do I want? I want to go to models. I'll get better at this. Oil drum, I don't want to import. No, apply. I don't know, I'm going to make my own new material. Ship map. Duplicate this guy. Oil drum. Oil drum. And we're just going to, actually what you need to do is you need to do models. This is what you need to do. Ship map, oil drum. You just do this. Oil drum. Use embedded materials. No, no. Lie. Yeah, and that overwrites the materials, I think. There we go. Yeah, they're right here. Looks kind of weird in the preview here, but it's good. The materials are set up here. Now I can just go and open tools, click to color, go to my props here, drag this in here, and I should be able to edit it. YouTube issue. YouTube's got lots of issues with the stream stuff. I'm just gonna turn off the subscription goal thing. Delete. I can just tell you verbally, we are at 3,988, so like 12 more subs. 19% of my views are from subs. That's way better than me, Tom. Okay, so you can 26%, that's really good. Lower sub count. Nah. Yeah, memberships are, I think, targeted towards gaming channels, yeah, or like channels that do a lot of live streams as well, because then they only live stream to their members and stuff. So it's like a paid live stream, I guess. Yeah. Very few of the people that watch my Firebase tutorials sub, right? And I think very few people that watch this recent video that's gone crazy sub. So yeah, that'll be why. No, stop crashing when I click. Oh no, what is this? No, it's a loading bar of doom. Uni 2020 is good, but sucks still. Ah, what is this thing doing? No. Dang it. I think this means I gotta kill Unity. Aw, man. Yeah, Unity not responding. When did I save last? Dang it. Hopefully I saved recently. We're about to find out. Might be bad. Your next video is gonna skew it more. 2 years of game development, or 2 years of working on my game in Unity or something. Yeah. We go. Scenes, ship. Okay, we didn't lose. What did we lose here? Textures. Ship map. Ship props. Oh, they have the ship. What do they have the ship? What? Materials, materials. Map. There we go. Okay, so I just lost the texturing I did. It's fine. Tools, click to color. Let's bring in this texture here. Rails usually look a lot more red. I'm trying to like make it more of a reddy. Like a rusty red kind of look, kind of a little bit. Too much maybe. It's the darkest spot right there on the cap. Yeah. There we go. Looks pretty good, I think. They're not going to look good until the lighting's rebaked, I think. Tools, color. I heard it again. Who is it? Oh, I don't know if I can say that name. Eviski? Eviski? Thank you. Your Firebase videos are a lifesaver. You're welcome. I tried my best, even though there's tons of mistakes in them still. Thank you for the €5. Yeah, I saw your short there, Saul. Did it pick up at all, or? I can't remember how many views it was at when I watched it. Here we got the barrels textured there. It won't look good though until the lighting's done. All this stuff down here, since I gotta constantly bake lighting to check the texturing, I'm just gonna do it off stream. But let's add some more props to the top of the deck. Because the whole baking of light, I also gotta finish the modeling in here, which there's not too much left to do. I'll do that off stream. So let's add like some props. There should be like a spire out the front here, I think, and yeah, add some of that stuff. Sorry, I'm just thinking here. I want to add some more barrels around here, I think, too, as cover. It's doing okay. YouTube doesn't give me normal statistics for shorts, so I can't fully compare it to my normal videos. So in order for it to be a short, you just have to put #short in the video title? Or how does that work? How does it know it's a short? Or is there another upload option? I don't know, I haven't tried it. Add a cube. When modeling, this does look kind of bad though, so re-add the prototype and just assign the prototype material to this while we're modeling. It has to be less than 1 minute, and the orientation has to be for phone. So okay, so like 19 by 6, so vertical. I see, and then it knows it's a short. I see. Cool. Might have to try it. I made 2 TikToks and they did decent, so. Transform 0 on the X. Go. Dot. Oh yeah, I love that focus. Put up. Scale. down. Extrude, scale. Yeah, there we go. Fill it in a bit. I think that was too much. There we go. Get our reference here. This TikTok is meant to be so good for game dev actually, but I can't bring myself to using it. Yeah, you have to make your video, I think, I tried to make mine pretty uplifting, or I don't know if that's the word, fast-paced, I guess. And you gotta remember that their TikTok's attention span is like nothing. All they have to do is swipe. And then also, I bet you everybody that watched my TikTok got a single one, or even thinking about my game to this day, like, just goes out of their mind as soon as they see it, right? So it was just kind of cool to see how many views they can get really quickly. But it didn't really seem to bring anybody to my channel. I was watching, and yeah, didn't really seem to bring anybody to my channel or anything too much. Maybe a few people. Kind of just looks like a cross. Yeah, that's better. Still going? Wow. Yeah, I'm still going. Are we at 4K subscribers yet? We're at 3,991. Almost there. Yeah, I'm still adding props here. Looking good though. It's looking much more like a ship, isn't it? Hello, thank you for your Firebase tutorials. They really helped a lot. No problem. That's basically why I made them, because I found there was kind of a little bit of a gap for them. And it was kind of hard to learn from just reading the documentation, so... like, what the heck, let's share what I learned about it. These like anchor point things. Add. Add cylinder. Sign. Oh crap. No, add. Do a cube actually. I'm gonna try and make one of these like anchor things, like one of these anchor grabber thingies. I don't know where they are here. Or not anchor grabber thingies, rope grabbers that they tie the ship to. I don't know. These are like pirate ship decks. I want like modern ship deck. Ship deck. Google is not giving me what I want. Anyways, I have it in my mind what I want to do, so. Obviously way too big, but scale it down. There you go. Give this a different color. And give this a different color up here. Right up here. Give this gray here. Maybe we should give these a different color too. There we go. I kind of got the front of the ship there. Definitely need more of these over here, I think. Move some of these way back here. Oh god, no, that's not what I want. No, grab the buoy. There we go. There you go. Those are like, I think they're called like mooring points or mooring points, like where they tie off the ship to. I don't know what they're called really. Well, gotta go. Bye. See ya. You're addicted to TikTok at the start of lockdown? Yeah, I don't really watch it that much. Every once in a while. Yeah, the mooring lines. That's what they are for. It's looking pretty good for prop placement here, I'd say. I'm gonna fix, these thing right here. This should be, and all of these in here should also be darker gray. I think. Yep. There. Dark gray. There we go. Also the one in here, I think also, where is it? Here, focus. This one here also needs to be, there we go. Okay, export all this stuff again. File, export, xzippyzachx, not oil drum, ship hull, export. Should see everything pop up here in a minute. There we go. Oh, the normals are of course not right. Oh, of course not. Why would they be? Because I flipped it at one point, didn't I? Was it Control N? No, Shift N. There we go. There we go, that should fix the normals. Boom. You delete the TikTok app? Reels? I don't think I've like ever watched Reels. Reels is like Instagram's version of like TikTok, isn't it? I used to post a lot on Instagram through high school, but since then I kind of stopped. I'm not really making videos like that anymore. If you've seen my Instagram. Okay, I think I'm gonna jump into the game and kind of look at this from the player's point of view here. The mooring points here. Got the front mast thing. The colliders aren't going to line up, but that's fine. So start the server. Server's already going. You're 50 minutes behind. I don't really have that much of a social media problem. I'm never like on my phone very often. I'm usually browsing through YouTube or something on my computer. I guess I'm kind of lucky that way. It's probably definitely changed since the lockdown though, because I'm always in front of my computer, whereas before, like when I was at university on campus, you know, when I'm sitting around waiting, I would go on my phone. So because I don't not always in front of my computer then. There we are. Feels laggy. Weird. 5 frames. Huh, my frames are really low. Must be because I'm streaming. Weird. Hope it's just because I'm streaming. You know what it could be? Ooh. Oh no, it's not the fish. I thought it might have been the fish. Ooh, that looks weird. Figure out what the heck's up with that. Weird shadow fragments there. That's something to do with the bias. Boy, this helipad is really white. I think I've got to change the color of the helipad to something else. I also got to get an H on this bad boy. You know, let's do that. Let's get an H on this bad boy. Yep. Slash fly. That looks cool. Turn the fish back on. The fishies! Ooh, it looks cool. Cool, 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 cool. The mooring points. Yeah, I think we did a good job. Yeah, I definitely need to place around, I think, some more barrels around these containers and stuff to act as cover. I need to not make this bright white, I think, and we can add an H on there. I gotta fix this. Oh, I gotta fix the white here on the inside of those stairs. We can walk right through this because there's no colliders in the server right now. It feels really laggy for some reason. Nothing else to do because you're in lockdown, yeah. I usually just use Instagram for just seeing what other people are doing, my friends from high school and stuff. See what pictures they post, stuff like that. YouTube not notifying you when there's a new video? Dang it, YouTube. Did you ring the bell? No, it's way better in this little mode, way less laggy. Fish tend to gather over there. Why are you moving around like that? I don't know, I'm just so used to never stop moving when playing an FPS. That's like one of the #1 rules, is you should never stop moving. Even when I'm not even actually playing. So these railings look good. This is really white, holy. Okay, let's fix the white helipad. It's way too white. Let's put an H on it. Then I think the deck's pretty good for now. Yeah, let's get this not so white. This needs to be that or this. It needs to be that. And then this needs to be that color. Okay. And then we get add a cube. And we're gonna get another color here for the helipad. What color are helipads that are not? Because I know red H's are only for hospitals, aren't they? Wonder what just a general helipad color is. Just gonna make a very thin layer here to act as paint. I know it's kind of cheaty to use a actual mesh, but I'm gonna do it. Complete bases. The heck? I just did it again. I could have used the short form. There you go. -3. Oh wait, we gotta fix this thing too. These colors right here. Amazon marketing. Have we hit 4K yet, says Tom. Refresh. Nope, hasn't changed actually. It's at 3991. 3901. The views on the video have kind of gone down a little bit. They usually go down in the evenings. They peak at, it would peak today at 10 to 11 a.m. I got 824 views on it. That was its peak today. I think the paint needs to be thicker. I think that's sarcasm. Yeah, I should probably wrap it up soon, so I don't know if we're gonna hit 4K in time, unfortunately. I think we'll wrap it up after we finish this helipad here. After we look at what we did for the day, at least. Good. Okay, now we should be good. Now we can move all this back into Unity again. And then change the helipad texture. What color should we make the helipad? Because I don't know what color we should make it. Helipad colors. This one's white. It has a circle around it. Should we make it yellow? Or ship. Helipad. Yellow, maybe. Yeah, I'm thinking yellow too. Yellow with... It's yellow circle with white H. Let's just make it yellow. I might do the circle off screen. Helipad. Google images of helipads. The paint needs to be thicker? What do you mean? What? Oh, the H paint. Oh. I see what you mean. I thought you meant like thicker, like... Yeah, it makes sense. You're right. Wait, why do I have everything selected? Just this. Yeah, you're right. That looks much better. Looks much better. Thank you, Tom. Good job. I need a thicker H. Twitter marketing is definitely better. Yeah, I think. I never use Twitter anymore. I should probably do it, but I don't know. Takes out a little bit of more effort, which kind of lazy to post on Twitter. Constant things. Maybe I'll post images of what the ship looks like now. I did post images of what it looked like when it was untextured. So maybe I'll post images. Before and after images, maybe. Reddit. I just made a Reddit account not long ago just so that I could react to other people's posts for them. Which one was it? It's this guy, yellow. Yellow or white? What about this? Hello, I want this face. There it is. Also, why is this H not centered? I heard the donation thing. Who was it? Evisky again with another €5. Thank you. The message coming here? What does the message say? Did it come with no message? Oh, it just said your Firebase videos are a lifesaver. Did you donate twice by accident? Let me know if you did, because that's weird. just happened? Material just completely wiped from this thing. Pre-models. Where's models? Models. Maps. Ship map. Ship hull. Materials. Materials. Ship map. Come on. Ship map. No, go back. Lock you, stay here. Ship windows, apply. There we go. Unlock you. Close you. There's so many files growing in my project here, but I'm keeping it pretty organized, I hope. Okay, here we go. Now we can get this green here to like kind of a darker green like what they have maybe. I don't know though. What do you guys think? That's like a dark, murky. Kind of military green. I mean, I think that looks kind of sick, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I read the chat here, one sec. Okay, so now the next question is yellow or white on the helipad? Yellow or white? There's what yellow looks like. Thank you very much, really appreciate it. Yeah, you'll slowly grow there, so I really like your streams. Are like the way you talk in your streams is definitely entertaining. I find you always do like keep it entertaining, constantly talk and do little things. Organic growth is easiest on YouTube. Yeah, if you keep consistent kind of uploads, you're pretty much good to grow. Maybe have a white H with yellow circle. Okay, so you're thinking white H. And in Blender, let's get this guy fixed to the new color. Why is this not open image? There, close this, I think that's why. Now let's try and open it. There we go, now it's the new color. Thank you. Yeah, I enjoy watching your Twitch streams. Unfortunately, I don't always catch them because I'm usually doing school when you stream, but... Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about, Play. Yeah, see they have a yellow circle around them here. Yellow circle. I'm gonna try it right now. And I think that'll be the last thing that we do here. Gotta select this bloody face. How do I select it? Oh, where is it? There we go. Extrude, scale. Extrude, scale. Huh? What's this? Oh. I want to select the ring again. There we go. It's so weird where it doesn't always want to select the ring. See, it's not selecting the bloody ring. I don't know what it is. I don't know why I won't select the ring. I'm doing it properly or something. Okay, we'll make this one the... This is for the helipad, this is for the green, this is for the white, and then we'll make this a yellow for the ring. Why do you extrude inwards? You can inset. I know it's the same thing, just curious. Probably just because I didn't know inset existed. Okay, wait. What's the key for inset? I? See, I just didn't know that existed. That's why I extrude. There you go. So yeah, I should probably do it that way. If I do something different, it's probably just because I don't know how to do it the other way. So I kind of found my own way to do it. Ship. Tools, click to color. Break this in here. Get this one a yellow. There we go. There we go. That looks good there. Oh, it looks dope. That looks like a proper container ship now, guys. Heck yeah. That is looking like a proper container ship in a proper video game. I'm basically saying my game isn't proper. That reaction was fantastic. Yeah, I always get excited when I learn about how to do new things in Blender. Yeah, it does look. It looks pretty cool. Let's look at it in game here. Look at it in game here. Let's change the scene here to the main one. Play. I think that'll be it for today. What are we at for subscriber count here? I don't think we're gonna make it. We're pretty close though. Nah, we haven't moved in the last 20 minutes for some reason. Weird. We need 9 more subscribers. We'll be there in the next hour or two probably. But I need to stop streaming because I'm losing my voice. Okay, let's go look at it. Cargo ship. Maybe you could make it so one team lands from a heli on the pad. That'd be pretty cool. Or at least like when the game starts, like a helicopter flies away. That'd be pretty cool. Oh yeah, looks dope. Definitely makes it look a lot. Like it makes it look like what it is, a helipad. It didn't look like unless you really looked at it, you didn't really understand what it was before. Now you know this is a helipad. So cool. Is it laggy on stream? I think it is. Ooh, I can't fit under here anymore. Maybe I did that on purpose. Yeah, it is a little laggy on stream. It's weird. I need to mess with my bitrate. It's not laggy for me. The barricade and breach game mode? I think that's what you're talking about with the cops and robbers. Yeah, I do plan on re-implementing that game mode. I'm gonna call it barricade and breach, I think. Yeah, that looks really cool now. Sorry for the choppiness on the stream. I really need to look into what the heck. Prison map. Prison map, yeah. If you look at my Trello, you can see like what kind of the map ideas I have written down. It's not that choppy? Okay. It looks a little bit choppy on my preview. I'm getting 60 FPS here. Which I definitely get more than 60 FPS when not streaming, so. You have 1% chance of catching a bullet. Whoa, what is going on? Like right there with my water, my water shaders bringing in the color of the tower and stuff. I don't think I can really think of how I could fix that, but I don't think you ever really see it anyways if you're down here. Heck yeah, it actually looks like a bridge now. The God mode shadow. Like the character shadow when I'm flying. Because I'm actually doing that animation. I'm like... I'm flying. Okay, anyways. 20 people still here. I think I'm going to end it soon. What are we at for subscribers? I doubt it's changed. 391. 3,991 subscribers. So yeah, we're almost to 4K. So that's awesome. 4K. We got 1,000 subscribers in like 10, 12 days ish, I think. When on my Discord server? Let's see here. Announcements. I announced on the 3rd. So on the 3rd. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In 10 days, we gained 1,000 subscribers. That's kind of crazy. This video has definitely boosted me a lot, which is awesome. Oh man, you can see the water shader really doing weird effects right there. Okay, yep. So yeah, this is what we did today, guys. Thank you for coming out and hanging with me. How long was the video sitting on your channel before it shot up? Says Tom. Well, 0. So like what? 270 days? What is this? Like 200, 300 days before it shot up? You see it starting right there, but that's like 300 days right there, right? 300 days before it shot up. So you never know, a video could just start getting suggested. So yeah, here's your last look at what we did today. Almost a year after upload. That's wild. Yeah, I know, that's why I'm like, this is wild. It wasn't even that good of a video in terms of like I didn't even write a script for that video. All the commentary you hear in that video is just me improvising. So yeah, guys, make sure to look at the pinned comment if you want to join the Discord server, join the community. I also publish like more frequent little updates, like little screenshots or little short videos of what I'm working on pretty much right after I add it to the game. And yeah, thank you for coming out to the stream. Here's your last look at the ship, what we did today. It's definitely looking much more like a ship. It's all textured and everything. I think we did a good job. Yep. Let's head back over here. Great stream, mate. Thank you. Why would you dislike? Yeah, it's sad. Come on. Hamza, how's it going? You just catch the end if you're just joined. 2 dislikes. Dang. Come on, guys. That's okay. How many likes do we have? We have 72 likes, so that way outweighs the 2 dislikes. We're good, we're good. Okay, yeah, anyways, guys, thank you for joining me for, what did we go for? 3 hours and 20 minutes? But we made a lot of progress, so. When's the demo? Well, make sure to join the Discord server and grab the playtester role, and next playtest, you can be a part of it. Hopefully we'll do another playtest one of these upcoming weekends. We'll have to see. So I think that's about it for me. I will see you next time I stream, which will probably be in a few weekends. We'll see. School is going to be heating up soon as we move into exam season, so I'm hoping to get a video out before exam season. So yeah. Say your goodbyes in the chat because Zippy is out. Thanks for joining, guys.